Now they're blue.
Make a look to match your mood. Next we go from kitty to sun. New designs are loads of fun. Wash and wear Barbie.
Lie down. For information and stockists, go to www.icibe.co.uk. Intelligent canine technology.
Welcome to the world of Harry Potter! You can make objects float with Harry's Talking Levitating Challenge game.
Steady.
It's a race against time!
1 minute.
And you can make hundreds more challenges. Guide your ball through moving obstacles and master levitation.
Great score.
Harry's Levitating Challenge game comes with 10 different obstacles.
I gotcha!
Bring it on.
The Emperor's New Groove is the hilarious new Disney adventure. Now on video and Disney DVD.
Look, Thomas is talking!
Number 1 always comes first.
So are his friends.
I'm proud of my number 6.
They can all recognise and talk to each other.
I have lots of special friends.
There's lots to collect, and now you can get 3 for the price of 2. Another first from Golden Bear.
Wiggly lines, you just can't catch us. Wiggly lines, you just can't catch us.
Match our tails to the cards.
You just can't catch us. Wiggly lines.
The CITV website has a brand new address, itv.com/CITV.
Yeah, get in contact with us at the new address, itv.com/CITV.
And you can be part of it by watching Sooty.